Hi, Christy. I got your email. I thought I would just record as I go through and check your grade books so you can see if there are any classes along with me that you need to fix. So right now I clicked the settings and I clicked traditional grade calculations, and that took me to this page, which is where we want to go to set up your year one weights. So looking at your first class, Y1 says term weighting. That's correct. That's what you would like it to say. And then you have quarter 3, 40%, quarter 4, 40%, and M1 and F1 as 10%. That is correct. That is perfect. So let's just check all of your classes to make sure that they are set up correctly. A little out of order, but still the percentages are set properly. Awesome. Let's go through quarter 3. Now this is a full year course, so the percentages are going to be a little different. 2020, that is correct for a full year course. Looks great. Let's keep going down the line. Term weighting for English 4. Let's see what we got. Quarter 3, 40. Looks good. Let's go to this one. You have a lot of classes here. All right, so this one is not set up correctly. All right, so English 4, you want quarter 1 to be 40, quarter 2 to be 40. I'm not sure why we have, this is a full year class, okay, Christy? So we want 20, quarter 2 is going to be 20, quarter 3 is going to be 20, quarter 4 is going to be 20, and then you have to add, click the plus sign. We need term weighting, we need M1, click the plus again, we need term weighting, F1, and then 10 and 10. So your full year courses, you're going to have 4 quarters and M1 and F2. Click save at the bottom. You need to do it because I am not the teacher of record, okay? So any class that has 4 quarters, you're going to have them each at 20%. Any classes that are semester-based will be 40%. Okay, let's go through. English 2, notice there's quarter 3 and quarter 4. So right now you don't have them set up properly. Let's add term weighting. Let's add quarter 4. We need that to be 40. We need this to be 40. We need term weighting, M1, 10. Click the plus sign, term weighting, F10, and click save. Okay? Unfortunately, I can't do it for you and save it because I'm not the teacher of record. All right, English 1 period 2 is not set up properly. We need to go into Y1, click the pencil sign, make sure it's set to term weighting. I see that quarter 3, so we're 40 at, click the plus sign, term weighting, you can leave that, that's fine. Click the plus sign, term weighting, quarter 4, 40. All right, and so on. All right, and then click save. All right, so if you want me to walk you through it, do the best you can fixing your classes. If you get in a crunch and you're unsure, just call me and I'll walk you through it. All right, but yeah, all of them, you know, the first couple were set up perfectly, and then as we get down to the bottom here, a lot of them are not set up properly. All right, Y1 needs to be set to term weighting. Term weighting, okay? All right, give me a call if you need any more help. I'm here. All right, I'll talk to you soon.